of the night, my father says, boy, when you gonna treat yourself right? Oh, daddy dear, you know you're still number one, but the girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, right, I knew that. Anyway, this week's video, pretty lame. Not proud. Somebody got to do it. It is just another tour of an Expediter, but a little bit differently laid out with some interesting furring strip stuff going on the wall and some practical solutions. Look, man, I can't be banging out winners every week. But, you know, I would imagine that some people like to see this bullshit. Well, there you go. I'm getting back to my Cyndi Lauper tribute band. All right, you salty fuckers. Anyway, this is a interesting way to set up an Expediter. Brand new, because, you know, dude rolls large, as they say. This would also be an interesting approach to take in a camper as well, because what he's done, obviously, is once you determine that the space inside the wheel wells is different from the space outside the wheel wells, once you make that, it opens up lots of possibilities. What do you make? Oh, it's boiling water. Cleaning a pan.
Yes.
But the way he's done these, this would technically be called a furring strip, the support for it. And I see he's used various materials, and he also has some foam board insulation inside there. But that's a clever idea. And of course you could put cabinets, you could do a lot of different things. This is where you'll end up. We all end up here somewhere, where you give up on the fucking winch until I invent and market something that makes it work. And then like so. And I suppose this idea of having the outside the wheel well, inside the wheel well is similar with the cabin. It's fore and aft of the thing. And of course, dude has a swing arm generator, as you would expect. But what he's done is he's put his household garage under the bed. This probably, does this fold up?
Yes.
It does fold up. And so you've got a house garage thing going on and a house garage thing going on. It's very interesting. So anyway, I think that's pretty practical. In this application, all the mechanicals are there on that wall, basically. Inverter, and then two big ass batteries. Maybe four big ass batteries. Oh, they go around the corner, yeah. And there's more cabinet space under there that would have those other two batteries. And you've got roof AC and some wall AC too. So pretty fucking clever. Now this Expediter, who I call this asshole, this is quite common. So he's put his fridge, he's taken the seat out, obviously, and he has made a somewhat flat platform to adapt that to be flat, and then you could do something with that space. When I was expediting, I had built a table that form-fit here, but he's not into that. But the idea, normally you'd think this would be grotesquely illegal, and I'm sure it is, but you can still see out the mirror, so you can still see beside you, and whatever. You got to do what you proverbially have to do. I personally wouldn't want to take up that space with the fridge. I would rather put the fridge in the floor or do something else or put it up against the walls or whatever. But I don't know. You people do you.
Yeah, but then it's very difficult when you're driving to open the fridge and take your soda this way.
That's a good point. I could see a lot of different ways to deal with fridge. But I do like the idea of being able to get drinks while you're driving, as it should be. All right. That was the tour. This van is brand new. How many miles on this thing?
6,000.
6,000. Ooh, my engines are here. All right, time to go to work.